In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account for trading to start your trading journey. So at first, you need to download the MetaTrader app. You can download it from App Store or also Play Store. Simply search MetaTrader, M-E MetaTrader. And here you can see MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4. I also should download the MetaTrader 5 because it's updated version, so it will be better for you. Click on install and download it. Here I already downloaded it, so I'm opening it like this. And as you can see, this type of page will appear. You can click on accept, and here you can see open a demo account. Click on it, and after that you can put your details. Here is the first name and last name, and here is my date of birth. Now put your phone number, but at first put your country code. My country code is 977, and now put your phone number, and now put your email. My email is this, and here you can see the server, which is MetaQuotes demo, and the account type is Forex Hedge USD. You can change it as well, but I'm leaving it for now like this. And here is the leave rate, leave it as it is. And here you can see the deposit. You can choose whatever you want, like here you can see the 100,000, here is 50,000, here is 500,000. So you can choose any of it. I'll suggest you to go with $100,000 and click on this accept button and click on register. And after doing that, here you can see new account has been opened successfully. Now you should copy this login password and investor code. Simply click on it like this and click on start. And as you can see, here is your demo account is created successfully, and you can see the chart, and here you can see the history of your trade. So yeah, as you can see, the demo account is created and now you are ready to trade.